Okay, when you open your link, you should get a page that looks like this, and you can choose which gallery you want to look at, the Greencast or the Redcast. I'm going to choose the Greencast. And this is how you view your photos. You can scroll through these thumbnails and see the whole gallery all the way here to the end. Or you can go through one at a time by clicking on any one that you want to see bigger. And then you can just click through one at a time this way. Or you can go down here to the bottom and click on one of the small thumbnails here. If you want to skip ahead to some thumbnails in the later part of the production, you can do that. If you want to go back to your thumbnails, go up to this arrow in the top left corner, and you'll have your thumbnails again. And that's a quick way to view your photos.